Hi students, good morning to everyone. Yesterday we discussed about the introduction of the challenges faced by the political parties. In the yesterday's class already I said that in the four criterias the political parties are going to face the problems, okay, the challenges. What are the means the four challenges which is faced by the political parties? The first one is that, okay, internal lack of internal democracy. Lack of internal democracy. Here these political parties is succeeding the democracy. Already we discussed that the political parties are succeeding the democracy, but inside the political parties there is no democracy, means there is a lack of democracy. How there is a lack of democracy in these political parties? Okay, let us see. Always the political parties, they will try for the power. Always they will try for the political power, okay, and that power is also there in the hands of few leaders. Always every political party, they will try to win and they want to be in the power, and that power is also will be not there in all the leaders hand, only it will be vest in the hands of few leaders only, okay, right? And here they won't take the they won't conduct the membership registration also. Here they won't take the means they won't conduct the membership registration. Means already we know that in the present days life, okay, every party they are keeping the membership registration. They will keep certain camps and we can note and we can register as a member of that particular party. Like that few members, a few parties, they won't conduct any membership registration also, okay, and they won't keep the organizational meetings. They won't keep the organizational meetings, okay. Organizational meeting means if they want to discuss on any matter, they won't keep the meeting, okay. They will discuss, means they will take the what is that decision by the few leaders itself. By discussing with the few leaders itself, they will take the decision without conducting the organizational meeting. Organization means total full party members, they should attend that meeting, but without attending of that all political party members, only the few leaders will take the decisions, okay. And they won't conduct the internal elections also. They won't conduct the internal elections also. Why? Means how? Because in few parties the party president will be there and party working president will be there. Like this, what will happen means the few leaders, those who are there, by themselves they will decide their president, by themselves they will decide by their working president. Means actually whenever we are choosing any leader, definitely we have to keep the internal elections, then only we have to choose the leader. But without conducting the internal elections, they will choose the, okay, party president and some other fellows, okay. This is the means what is the lack of democracy means. This is also one of the topic. The internal elections will be not conducted in the, okay, parties, okay. And here who will not have the chance to take part in the decision means the ordinary people will not have any chance to take part in the decision. Means they are, means internally whatever the decision they are going to take, okay, they will take by few leaders itself, okay. They only will take the decision, they only run the entire things, okay. They won't give any chance to, okay, take part in the making of decision to the ordinary people, okay. And if you see by this method, means whenever the others are not having the chance to make, means to take part in the decision making, then definitely who will enjoy the power in the political party? The leaders, those are there, the few leaders, they only will enjoy the political power in the party, okay, right? And whenever few leaders are like this, whenever they got the, these few leaders only divided into two divisions, means that is called as a paramount leaders. Paramount leaders means whenever these leaders only has divided into two, one of the group definitely they want to quit out from the party. Okay, means that situation will be created by few leaders to other leaders. Okay, to quit out from the party. That is called as a paramount. Okay, right? And here actually every person who is the member of that party, they want to work for the loyalty of a party. Okay, actually they want to work for the loyalty of a party, but all the members they will work for the loyalty of a leaders itself. Means actually whatever the work it will be done by the every member in the party, it should create certain advantage, or it should be, okay, what is that, positive to the party. But here everyone they won't work for to satisfy the party, everyone will work to satisfy the leaders in that party, those who are enjoying the power. Means why? Because whenever they will satisfy these leaders, then only that leaders will give the opportunity to develop in the party to others. Okay, for that purpose they will try to impress them, not the entire party. They won't work for the party, few persons they will work for the particular leaders itself. Okay, this is the first challenges, which is the first challenge which is faced by the political party. Once again I am repeating, the first challenge is the lack of internal democracy. Okay, already in the previous topic we discussed that by the political parties only the democracy succeed in our India, but in the political party itself the democracy is not running properly. Okay, how we can show that the democracy is not there properly? Means only the power will be there in the west in the hands of few peoples only, the few leaders only, and if you see the membership registration also will be not there in that party, and they won't keep the organizational meetings regularly, and they won't keep the internal elections. Means by choosing, whenever they are choosing certain party leaders, they won't keep any internal elections, and the ordinary people will not have any chance to access in the taking means to take part in the decision making of that party. These are the lack of democracy which is going to maintain in our political parties. This is called as a lack of internal democracy of the party. Okay. And now we will discuss about the second challenge which is faced by the political parties. Second challenge. Okay. The second challenge which is faced by the political party is the dynastic succession. Dynastic succession. Okay, here what will happen, whatever the political parties are there, whatever the political parties are there, whatever the functions they are making, functions means whatever the work they are doing, okay, they won't be the, means they won't work or they won't function transparently. Means everything they will keep as a secret. Means the members those who are there in all the members those who are there, all the members those who are there in that political parties, everyone will not know about their functions of the political party. Only very few people. Means why this type of conditions, whenever they won't function transparently, then the whatever the functions it will be done by the political parties, it will known to very few people. It will not know all the people. And one more thing, only in some political parties, the persons whose belongs to one family, they only be in the, they only ruling the political party. Or they only leading the political party. Whenever one party members only, means one family members only continuously they are enjoying the power in the political party, then definitely it is not fair for the, it is unfair for other people. Means this is the unfair for the other people. Okay, whenever this type of, means here what happened, whatever the top positions it was there in a political party, it will be enjoyed by only one family members, then definitely it is unfair for the other people, it will happen. Okay, right? And whenever it is not only unfair for the people, it is also a, it is not a good for the democracy. So what is meant by democracy? Ruled by the people. Ruled by the people means everyone should get the chance to enjoy the power. But here, whenever one family persons are there in a top position, whenever they are enjoying the power in any particular party, whenever others are not getting the chance to enjoy that power, then what is that? It is not good for the democracy. Okay, means only one family person are ruling, one family person are having the, what is that, chance to rule. One family persons are enjoying the power, means it is also nothing but the monarchy it will happen. That's why it is also not good for the democracy and it is unfair for the other people. Okay, and here, and mostly the person, those who will get from that family, they won't have any much more political experience also. Means the person, those who came from that family, that political, means one family, they won't have much more political experience also, and they won't have much more popular support from the people also. Popular support from the people means without having the experience, without having the popular support, they are enjoying and they are becoming as a leader of that particular political party and they are enjoying the powers. Means the person really, those who are working for the party, they are in the low leadership only. The person who is not at all working for the political party, because of their family members, because of their forefathers, they are enjoying the powers in the political party. Means whenever this type of situation are there in a political party, it is not good for the democracy and it is not fair for the people. When this type of things are continuously, it will goes on, then definitely we can say that there is a democracy in the country, but there is no democracy in the political parties. Okay, right? And this type of tendency is not going on in our country itself, it is going on in the entire world. Okay, right? This is about the second challenges faced by the political party. Once again I will repeat, what is the second challenge faced by the political party means dynasty succession. Okay, dynasty succession is nothing but, whatever the political parties are functioning, it won't function transparently. Transparently means whatever the work it is going to done by the political party, it should be get known to everyone in the, those who are there as a members in the political, but this will be known for very few people, it will be not known for the everyone, then it is not a transparency. Okay, and one more thing, in the some political parties only one family members are enjoying the power. Okay, they are enjoying the power and that family members only are there in the top of the position of that party. Okay, right? Whenever this type of situations are there in the political party, it is not unfair for the, this is unfair for other people and it is also not good for the, it is not good for the democracy also. Okay, and the person, those are not having the political experience or a popular support from the people, they are becoming as a leader. Okay, means here this type of tendency, it is not there only in the particular our country itself, it is there in all over the world. This is also a second challenges which is faced by the political party. Means here what I mean to say that every member, those who are working for the party, everyone should get the opportunity to become as a to get into the top position of that political party, not on the basis of family support. Okay, this